I have got an exciting week of things going on, starting here in Exeter Airport with the lovely Tania and a trip to Paris. So I thought I'd make a little bit of a video. Anyway, we're just waiting for the flight and then we're off.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
Currently down by the Seine, and we've got a Jimmy Buffett concert later. But for the minute, we're smoking. I'll do it again. Soaking. We're soaking in. So I'm starting off my grand tour with a weekend in Paris with the lovely Tania. We're down by the Seine, soaking in. Soaking in. This lady would like me to pay her some money. Okay. So I'm starting off my grand tour with a weekend in Paris with the lovely Tania. And we're down on the Seine, soaking in the lovely views and the lovely sunshine. I've done this all wrong again, haven't I? Let's do it again. So I'm starting my grand tour in Paris with the lovely Sonia, for Christ's sake. Sonia down by the Seine.
Who is it this weekend then, Nicholas?
It's hard to say, isn't it?
I know.
Should we do it again?
No, I'm enjoying this. No, carry on. The lovely Sonia,
Okay.
actually aka Tania,
Yeah.
is with Nicholas in Paris, and we've just been to the Eiffel Tower, and it was so busy that you can only have a glimpse like we did. Ready?
This is the real reason that we're here in Paris, and that's the Jimmy Buffett concert. Something I've been really looking forward to, but judging by everybody else, I've got a feeling I'm a little overdressed.
Scotland moved up a notch, okay, all right. Well, let's just say this is one of the most unique and probably one of the best places we ever play all over the world, so you're in for a great treat tonight. We just go to this level. There's no place else to go. Okay, everybody ready? So great. C'est le bon temps roulé à Paris ce soir, maintenant. It's Saturday night. grandfather was a sailor from Newfoundland. I'm going past it years for 10 years. So for all you sailors want to be and are, let's go out on the ocean tonight. You can go on the same river, get into the Atlantic Ocean, get across, you go anywhere in the world. So you start right here. And after all, the beautiful and magical La Cigar, huh? Coming in for the first time. Coming in pretty far. Oh, good. New fruit cakes. Okay. We see you, my dog. So, pas dangereux, pas dangereux. These are not dangerous sharks. These are land sharks. It's never meant to last. Never meant to last. I love shaker salt, 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 salt. You've got to try to love me. So we don't have much of the tour left. This ends our great Paris run. We're back in California, on the West Coast. We're there for 3 shows and back in Florida trying to get everybody out to vote for the right things. Get a little normalcy back to what's going on here. In the meantime, I wish you all love and luck and dance the night away with us. Thank you. We love you so much.
Early morning Paris, and just time for a little sightseeing before the grand tour continues.
Staying free as a bird. If you're searching for more than I am, you better look again, 'cause it's only fun and games.
There was a concert here last night, Warren Buffett or something, never heard of him. Anyway, back to the airport.
Like that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm coming for you. You ready or not? We ain't gonna get no sleep. We ain't gonna get no sleep. Don't wanna follow the way of the world. I'm flying high, staying free as a bird. If you're searching for somebody else, you better
So that's phase 1 of the Grand Tour, Paris. On to phase 2.